So hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I am Arathya and you are seeing my channel Mars the Creative King. So guys, in today's video I am gonna to tell you what is a Scratch. So guys, first of all I have to show you the book name Computer Musty, and this book is available in Google or some other website, you can check there. So let's start. So guys, first of all I have to tell you the chapter name, Introducing to Scratch, chapter 4. So let's start that. And guys, the Scratch chapter comes between 3rd and 2 class, so you can check this book Computer Musty. So guys, let's start. So first of all I have to tell you what is a Scratch. Guys, Scratch is a simply animation software by which children learn on and how to create animation. So guys, there are about 6 blocks and I have to tell you what is blocks. Guys, in blocks there are a small commands by which animation are created. So motion block, looks, sound, pan, control and events. And guys, these 6 blocks are in your course. There are a lot of blocks also, but it's 6 block is in your course. So guys, and I have to show you how commands are looked. So wait for a while. And if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel. So okay guys, this is motion block commands. As you can see, this is motion block commands. So guys, the commands, motion block commands: move 10 steps, turn 50 degrees, turn 50 degrees, point in direction and point towards in your course for 3rd class. Looks: switch costume to next costume, think hum for 2 seconds, say hello for 2 seconds, say hello, think hum. Okay, so these are looks book block command which is in your course. So sound: play sound, mute until done, stop all sounds. Okay, and now pen block: pen down, pen up, pen set color to, set pen color to, and set pen size to. And I have to also explain what block does in their commands. So first I have to explain what is motion block. In motion block, I have give you an example, just move 10 steps or turn 15 degrees. So it is our motion block commands. And looks: in looks you can also identify the block name, what is inside it. So in looks block guys, you can change its costume of a sprite. And first of all I have to clear a doubt, what is a sprite? So guys, sprite is, wait guys, I have to show you only. Okay, any animation or any creature that move on stage is known as sprite. As you can see, this horse or penguin or a cat, wait, I have to show you that also, or any dinosaur. As you can see, you can also draw your sprite also, or you can also choose your sprite on costume block. Okay, so as you can see, there are a lot of sprites and you can also change the background of the stage. See, a lot of sprites are there. As you can see here, these are sprites and these are also. So guys, these are sprites. And first of all I have to tell you what is a stage. Guys, a stage is the area where sprite move. And as you can see where I am sitting, this is also a stage where any people move, that is known as stage. Okay, and okay, a sequence of instruction given to a computer is called program. In Scratch, a program is saved as project. Now guys, I have to give you an example. As you can see, there are a lot of commands. You are create a program, so you have to save it. So you have to save it as a project. And now I have to tell you how did you create a program. So guys, okay, if you want to create this, wait, as you can see this, So how did you create this? So first of all, I have to tell you which commands you need. Pen down from pen block, pen size 2 from pen block, move 50 steps from motion block, pointed direction 180 from motion block, move 50 steps from motion block, pointed direction from motion block, move 50 steps from motion block, and pointed direction from motion block, and move 50 steps from motion block. And guys, as you can see here, there are images of the program, commands. So you can see this here, as you can see. So okay guys, now I have to tell you how did you add a new sprite. Okay, click paint to a new sprite. Guys, आप जैसे कि देख सकते हो यहाँ पे इस तरह पेंट पे ही क्लिक करके एक न्यू स्प्राइट यू कैन क्रिएट. क्लिक दिस आइकन as you can see to select a sprite from exiting list. Okay, now I have to tell you. Okay, saving Scratch project. Then how did you save the project of Scratch? Go to file and click save or save as. Select the place where you want to save your project. Okay, now I have to tell you, circle the correct option. There is a little exercise which you have to tell to me, and you can also tell me answer or in comment section. So let's start. First question: in Scratch, any character on stage is called as option A, sprite, option 2, script, option 3, command. So guys, its correct answer is sprite. Okay, now B. Under which block did you find the instruction to change the costume of a sprite? So first option motion, second option looks, third option sound. So guys, if you have to change a costume of a sprite, which block you can use? You can use looks block to change the costume of a sprite. Okay. Question C. Move 10 steps. Command be found under the dash block. Okay. Move 10 steps. Before I started this topic, I have also tell you. Okay. Move 10 step. Option A looks. Option B sound. Option C motion. Guys, first of all, I have to tell you, looks block is only for costumes. Okay, sound block is only for volume. So motion block is only for sprite. Okay, so the correct answer is motion block. Move 10 step. I have also explained you this. Okay, next, what will the sprite do when you run the program given below? Move 10 steps. Say hello. Option 1. Move 10 steps. Option B. Say hello. Option 3. Move 10 steps and say hello. So what is the correct answer in it? Move 10 steps and say hello. It is very easy, I think. Okay. So now option E. To see the trail of the sprite, we use dash command. Okay. To see the trail of the sprite, we use dash command. Option 1, pen up. Option B, pen down. Option C, next costume. Okay, guys, the pen block is the trail of the sprite, so you can choose pen down. Okay, so its correct answer is pen down. Now I have to I have to ask one more question from you. In Scratch, the sprite moves on dash when you run a program. Guys, this is a very easy question. I have explained you only before I start this quiz. So it's option 1 stage, option 2 canvas, and option 3 command. So guys, command is not a correct answer. Canvas is not in Scratch chapter, and so only answer is stage. Guys, I am also sitting here. So what is you known as? You can known as stage. Okay. So okay guys, I have to tell you one more easy program. So as you can see here, there is a horse which is saying hello. So if you want to create this program, so what commands you will need? So this is the question. So I have explained you. Move 10 steps. Second, Play sound horse. Move time step is from motion block. Okay, sound is from sound block. Move 10 steps, motion block. Switch costume to costume. Looks. Say hello in looks. Okay. So guys, today I have told you many things. What is a stage? What is a sprite? And explain you the blocks of which is in your chapter 4. And 2 programs. First program, I have tell you this horse. Okay. Horse I have tell you, and the second program is I have tell you this motion and pen block program, this. Okay, so guys, as you can see, both programs are here, so you can check these and also take a screenshot of this program. After I am ending this video, and this video second part is coming soon, and in now I will send some screenshots, so you can take the screenshot of these and you can revise them or learn them. In second part of this video, I will explain briefly each point. So guys, bye bye, we meet in next video. Bye bye guys.